What's up? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Happy haircut day. Hope you're all doing well. Everybody waiting for inflation. What's going on? Look at this. Have we broken out? Have we broken out? I don't know where you want to draw this. If you want to trade some triangles, go right ahead. We got trading levels for you. We have ideas. Let's jump into it. Hope you're all doing well. Let's get into it right away. Now, we can see that we've had this beautiful push up. Okay, beautiful push up on the daily here. Some nice, beautiful green dots pushing the price up. But where are we going? Where can we trade? Where is inflation going to bring us? Well, that's what we're here to figure out, my friends. So let's jump right into it. Yes, we're going to get some volatility. And yes, we're going to go ziggity zag. But we're going to secure the bag. Ziggity zag, let's secure the bag. Drop a like in the comments. Drop a subscribe if you haven't already. We're always here sharing our trade ideas. We were talking about Link yesterday. My friend Ace here, 155% up on the Link trade. My guy, Link happened while we were asleep last night. But this is the trade setup. Given it advanced. Beautiful, beautiful entry. Keep going down Link, okay? We were waiting this for quite some time. We were looking to come back up to this trend line. Look at that trend line. It hit it right to the dot. You got to love TA for that kind of stuff, okay? So, yes, there are trade setups. We give them in advance. We give them in the Discord. We were watching that Link trade setup for quite some time. So if you set some alarms on your charts, you can be ready for these as well. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin, let's get into the Big Daddy Bitcoin and let's see. Yes, we've green dots brought us up, came to this level. Now, yesterday we were talking about this box. Okay, now what does this box signify? This box signifies where are we going? Okay, we said we need to stay above 9,550. Well, guess where we're at? We're just below 9,550 now, right? We said we need to hold this and flip up to around 29.9, okay? 29.9 is the value area low of this range over here. If not, we have fallen to the value area high of this range down here, okay? Very simple. This is no man's zone. We are currently tapping on the value area high. Can we get accepted back into this range down here? Quite possibly, okay? This can be the bulls don't have enough power, enough fruition to get price above, okay? So we're going to be watching that. When price goes zigzag, secure the bag, we're going to be watching that, okay? So you can see we came up to the point of control. We came up yet again, wicked out, exhaustion, push down, okay? Now we're tapping on the door of the value area high of the previous range down here, okay? Very simple TA. Keep it simple, my friends. We can bring this actually a little bit higher now. Look at that. And we are below it, okay? We are below it. Now we have two levels of point of controls that we are targeting if we do continue to fall. The first level is 29.3, okay? Let's keep it a nice even number for you guys. And then we have another volume node here around 29,200, okay? So within $100, we're gonna be lurking. We're not lurking, we're looking to target this area if we continue downwards, okay? And then we fall back into this range and sideways action yet again, okay? So we'll be watching that very, very closely. Now, we haven't got the red dot confirmed on the 12-hour, but as we zoom in down to the shorter time frames, I can see a red dot on the 8. Let's see the 10 before I do that. Yeah, the 10's confirmed too. So we have red dot confirmed, and we're looking to push downwards, okay? We are below the value area high of this local range down here, and we have been rejected off the value area low of the big range above us in order to remain bullish. We wanted to get above this and continue upwards, which we haven't. So now we look for a retracement, okay? We're looking for the retracement back down to this point of control. As long as we're making higher lows on this range, we can still remain a bit bullish, okay? Until we get below this wick down here, which is quite low, okay? This is down around 28,700, okay? So until we come down below that, we are still making higher lows, okay? So we want to be watching these lows. There's lots of liquidity down here. Yes, they may not have come and got all of it, okay? Because this one's a little bit lower. So yes, they want to hunt liquidity. They want to continue downwards, but we're looking for a bounce. Now, where can we look for this bounce, my friends? You may ask. Well, we can call our good old friend Fib and Archie. That's the name of my plants, if you're wondering. Fibonacci, a retracement, and look at that. The beautiful golden pocket matches up quite nicely with this point of control. So where will we be looking for a trade? Well, we will look for a bounce around this area, but yeah, the point of control seems like a very good idea for a possible long, okay? As we continue to fall, look for us to come down to this area, so maybe we look for a swing failure pattern. Actually, we just received one where we continue our way downwards. So going down to the 4 hour, what can we see? Rollover, yes, very good indeed. And now we can see this beautiful thing. Now, this beautiful thing that we're talking about here, it isn't a divergence, but it is a continuation where we can simply see that price is continuing lower, okay, on both indicators. We're looking for money flow to come over and challenge the lower side here. We see VWAP getting rejected off the zero line in the short-term time frames. So, yes, we are looking for this rejection. Also, key thing to note is that we are not getting above this value area high. We've gotten a lot of bullish candles that are looking to continue us to the downside. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a zig, a zag, and a secure the bag within here. I'm not looking to trade the inflation because it is a bit volatile and it jumps all over the place. But if we pull up the economic calendar, we can simply see, let me pull it up here on my other chart, and we can simply see that we have inflation looking to come in around 3%. Okay, this inflation here, 3%. They are predicting 3.1. If we get above 3.1, we could be looking for more downside, and vice versa. If we come under 3 or 3%, that could be quite positive news for the markets. We have to wait and find out. We are not getting the crystal ball out. We don't got any of that stuff, so we'll have to be patient here. Now, that is my ideas for Bitcoin. Okay, so we're getting rejected off of this level here, which is we need to get above, which is at 29,600. Okay, we need to get above this in order to ride up, and then we need to crack this box. Okay, we need to crack this box, which is at 29,900, 29,800. Okay, around this area, we need to continue to work our way back up and continue upwards in order to remain bullish. Okay, now we can see that we could get a possible bounce off this point of control, golden pocket, where we'll be looking to fire off a long position. Okay, so we'll wait for price to tell us where it's going to go. And until then, we sit on our hands, we be patient, we practice good risk management, and we make sure our mindset and our trading psychology is right. Right now, everybody and their brother is pretty bearish, right? But also, we got this falling wedge pattern. Oh yeah, we're going to new highs. We're going to go to the moon, BlackRock ETF, all that good stuff. So let's protect ourselves for the short-term time frames for now, okay? Make sure to DCA on the dips. Now, S&P dropping, clear downtrend, dropping down, looking to challenge this 4450 area. Look at it. It's coming right to it. So we're going to fill this gap right around here and hopefully hold, okay? That doesn't mean Bitcoin's going to drop. Dixie. We're looking to target the top here. Can we get a push up from the dollar? Is the dollar going to remain strong and push upwards here? We'll have to wait and see. But if the dollar works its way up to this 103 area, we can look for Bitcoin to drop, okay? So we're going to keep patient, but we're also going to watch this continuation of this downtrend. Can we continue downwards? Okay, we do not. If the dollar gets above this high here, even this high here, we are looking to change market structure and continue our way upwards. Okay, that is not impossible, as we can see that Bitcoin or the dollar index here has gotten rejected off this key 100 level that it was trading for so long before, and it can break out of this trend. And if we do continue upwards, there's some key levels of resistance above us. Sorry, my nose is itchy. I am itching it because I am human as well. Okay, how am I looking to trade this? So we can see here, simply seeing Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is getting stronger, is 52% back on for maybe a double top. We'll have to wait and find out, but you can see that alts are bleeding into beautiful Bitcoin. Okay, so right now alt season is not canceled, but we have to be patient there. We were given this trade setup in advance. XRP looking to bounce off of the 63 level. Will it continue? We'll have to wait and find out, okay? We'll know more when inflation comes. Link trade. Yes, we took this short here. We're looking for this to continue its way downwards. Can we target this area down here? Most likely, but we'll wait and we'll find out. We have a very key trend line that it's been rejected off of, okay? Matic is looking to continue its way upwards, maybe attack this higher level, but until then we can see that it's clearly respecting this downtrend here. And if we turn on our EMAs, you know, everything is kind of pointing to the ground, so we have to be patient on these as well. Same with beautiful ADA. You can see maybe we can drop this up a bit. It's very similar to Matic as well. Same with Avalanche as well. So let's be careful. Let's protect ourselves. Dogecoin has been strong. It is in this beautiful channel on the way up. You can see it very simply here. Will it continue to ride this? Quite possibly. We are flipping this to support around 7 cents, 7.5 cents. 7.5 cents. That's what I wanted to say. Can it continue upwards as well? Okay, so inflation is going to dictate a lot, but right now I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to see if it falls back into this range down below here. If not, we look for a continuation to the upside. Bitcoin is looking relatively strong until it breaks this trend line. This trend line is holding the market up, and it continues to be strong. Okay, until we lose this, until we drop down, I'm not going to be bearish on this asset, but until then we need to remain positive. So in the short term, let's wait for this inflation. Let's help each other. Join us in the free Discord. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate every single one of you. Happy haircut day to me, and happy day to you. Good luck with the trading out there. Much love to every single one of you. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for all your support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.